Good afternoon. My name is Elson from ES Academies. I studied at the University of Pretoria, and Prof was my lecturer, my mentor, and everything. After I set my articles, I went back to Road Extent Fund to go and make some changes where I can and my contribution as well. I did normal claims, then I was promoted to supply section 17.5. Which we did very well. Today we are now going to introduce one of the South African legal brain, especially on the Road Extent Fund, also an authority, Professor H.P. Klopper. Thank you so much, Prof, for agreeing to come and talk to us so that we can give direction and assist what is taking place currently.
It's always a pleasure to be able to speak about the road accidents victims' rights, and I'm always concerned that it's a question of putting the third party first instead of last.
Yes, what I find very strange, a lot of people are asking for, they are saying justice denied, justice delays the justice denied. What is the access to justice if it took 5 years, 3 years before you can be compensated, before justice can really be achieved?
The current situation is completely unacceptable because people have to wait 7 years in order to get into court, and then after they have the matter settled and the court has made an order in their favour, they have to wait up to another 3 years before they get paid. And that's completely unacceptable. It was never the intention of the legislator that there should be litigation in terms of that. The Act is written in such a way that it is anti-litigation. And the intention of the legislator was always been, since the introduction of the Act, that the RAF Act, that the claimants must be settled as quickly as possible. It's got a sanction in the Act, Section 17.3b, which makes it risky for a claimant to litigate against the RAF. But 17.3b is not being utilised by the fund.